Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I do my protein treatment for my hair. So I've bleached my hair about 3 times in a month or so, and the ends of my hair are extremely dry and trashy. So this is why I'll be doing this protein treatment to kind of repair my hair so it's softer and less trashy. Here I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. I've sectioned it into 2, and now I'm just dumping the ends of my hair with water to the parts where I'm going to be applying the treatment. I'll be using Jheri's natural protein conditioner as well as VO5 tea therapy conditioner. You can use any other conditioner of your choice, but this is the one I use because this is the one I had at the time. I didn't use set amounts of each product. I just applied any amount I felt like adding. My mixture came out pretty watery, but you can add more conditioner if you want to make it thicker. So that's basically the consistency that mine came to. So now I'm applying the mixture to my hair by just dipping the ends of my hair into the bowl with the mixture. After applying the mixture, I'm just twisting my hair and then putting it into a bun. I basically did the same thing to the other side, dipping it into the bowl and then twisting it and putting it into a bun. After this, I covered my hair with a cap and left it for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can apply heat if you want to, but I didn't do that. I just left it like that. After the time was up, I just washed out my hair with water, plain water. Afterwards, the ends of my hair were softer and they weren't as coarse and dry as they were before. And now, as you can see, I'm sectioning my hair into 4 parts, getting ready to apply my new hair color. A video will be posted so you can check that out as soon as it's up. And yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to our channel. Thanks again.